Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, we have the newspaper on Tuesday, February the 9th, 2021. Only one regular Sudoku. Yes, a medium Sudoku. And can you remember yesterday, no newspaper from the paper boy. Yes. So now, today, this is a real paper. So, and we have also an additional with extra Sudokus, I believe. Let me see which page. I believe there are 8 extra. Yes, here. So we have a lot of Sudokus to solve today. But first, I will solve this baby. Yes, this will be number 2297. And I have already counted the printed digits. 27, no, 26, there are 26. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I have counted 26. So this should be a 2 stars Sudoku. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, in the additional 26 is a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. We see here a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. And then 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column in between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see here 3, no 3s in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then one of these boxes missing number is a 4. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 3 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then how about the 7 in this column? 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Those 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, 6 and 4. 264, 264. That means 1 digit left in the second column. 264. This should be the number 7. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 is missing, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the number One in the third row, one in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 7, 5, 5. We have a pair, 5 and 8 in this row, 5 and 8 in the first row. So in the third row, the 5 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes, 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in those 3 boxes. Here also 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in that box. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 and 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 3 boxes in this big square. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. Alright, 6, the 9 should be here. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 9. So the 9 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this third row, a 9 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, so 1 box left in this column should be the 6. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place in the last column for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 6 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright, so we have 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7, alright. Well. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. Okay. 3 and 8. Yeah. 6, 2, 5, 6. Let me see. Yeah. How about 3? Okay. I'm thinking. Do I need to 3 3 3 3? 1 1, yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this last column for the number 2. We have a pair in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 8. So we have an 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 and an 8 I have marked in those 2 boxes, but we have an 8 here, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 3. This should be an 8. Why do I have all the 8s? Let me check. And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 2, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this should be a 6. Then 2 boxes, 2 5. I need 2 5. How about those 2 boxes in this? In those 2 boxes in this row, the missing numbers here in this row should be the 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. How about these 2 boxes in this column? Also 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 9 here. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 9, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be the 9. 2 boxes left in this third row, the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, and look, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. and I will see you in a minute with the rest of the Sudokus, extra Sudokus in the additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.